It's really hard for me not to get emotional when I start to get more exposed to the statistics of what's really happening in this space. As a father of 6 children, when I hear these numbers, this is real. These are real kids, real people, and it becomes very real and sensitive to my heart. Unfortunately, this is an industry. There's money being made. This is the transfer of money using people. It's a $150 billion industry. It's very big. It's in every country and it's in every city. 21 million people are involved in this sex slave trade. 4.5 million are truly true slaves. That is to say that every single day of their lives, their body is being used many, many times a day as an object to create money for someone else who is exploiting them. And the part that creates the most emotion for me, almost more than I can tolerate, is the notion that 2 million of those 5 million people that are sex slaves are children.
When you think about like the transatlantic slavery period of time in the 1800s, 10 million people were in slavery at that period of time, and you may think, wow, that's overwhelming, that's horrific. The reality is today is there's double that many people. 20 million people are in slavery today. You know, you may think that this is a problem that's somewhere else, that's not in my town, but it's actually happening all over the world.
It's something that we felt at ASEA as we look at the Advancing Life Foundation, combined with our mission statement as a company, that our relationship with Operation Underground Railroad could play a huge impact in the lives of these young children.
We're so grateful for ASEA's Advancing Life Foundation that they're assisting us in the United States. This is a global issue, but it's also an issue within the United States. And so the funding will help to go for us to help support law enforcement in training.
These children have been all trafficked and abused. And again, to look at them, and I just wanted to ask, what's your story?
When you actually see victims of human trafficking, these beautiful young people who've been sold into sexual slavery, it just touches you at the core.
Those kids, they feel so alone all the time. They feel like they're the only ones that have suffered the kind of abuse that they have, and to know that there's people that are willing to come down to help fix their home, to help invest in them, to love them, to show them that there are people that care is huge for them, and letting them know that they're not alone on this journey.
Operation Underground Railroad and ASEA has partnered together, and we need your help.
So I would challenge all of our associates across the globe, do what you can, go to advancinglife.org and donate. Your donation will make a difference.
Thank you.